Gee, welcome back to Quiz Whale. Ready to test your snack knowledge? But we've hidden 25 snacks in emojis. Can you guess them all? Comment your score and subscribe for more emoji quizzes every week. Guess the snack by emoji 25 challenge. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss a brain-boosting challenge from Quiz Whale. Do you guess this snack? It's goldfish. Try to figure this sweet treat out. It's chocolate chips. Fair. What snack do you think this is? It's Doritos. A chewy and cute treat. Guess it. It's gummy bears. This one's tiny and topped with frosting. It's cupcake. Can you guess this chocolate bar? It's Kit Kat. It's crispy, salty, and fried. What is it? It's French fries. Buttery and crunchy. Guess this one. Butterfinger. You eat this during movies. Name it. It's popcorn. A fast food favorite. What is it? It's burger. Gee, it's spicy and cheesy. Can you guess it? It's Cheetos. Boy, a fruity explosion. Know this candy? It's Starburst. Super spicy and rolled. What snack is this? It's Takis. A mix of snacks in one. Guess it. It's combos. Round, cheesy and crunchy. Name it. It's cheese balls. Sweet, soft and filled. What dessert is this? It's egg tart. Jing lays on every snack shelf. Guess it. It's Lay's. Golden bites of chicken. What is it? It's nuggets. A cereal full of joy. Guess it. It's Cheerios. A twisty, cheesy snack. What's this? It's cheese pretzel. Sweet, soft, and colourful. Name it. It's jelly beans. Geese, crunchy and healthy. It's granola bars. A funny name for a rich treat. What is it? It's Snickers. Salty and crunchy. Guess this snack. It's salted peanuts. Crispy, salty and snappy. What is it? It's crackers. You've reached the end. How many words did you guess correctly? Drop your score in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Quiz Whale, where every quiz is a splash of fun.